Do you have a cold? Are you congested and not feeling well? I have the solution for you. Stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, the top dog of Lucky Dog Creations.
If my voice sounds a little funny to you, it's because I have a nasty summer cold. So today I decided I would make some menthol eucalyptus shower steamers. So let's get started. I already have my dry ingredients dumped in the bowl. This is my basic bath bomb recipe that I have shown in another video, so I will include the link below. And I'm going to go ahead and mix it up to get all the clumps out of there. And then for the wet ingredients, I have 5 teaspoons of water that I've already put in the glass. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and 1 teaspoon of menthol essential oil, and then 1 teaspoon of eucalyptus. And give it a stir. Now I'm going to add a little bit of blue soap dye. And stir that up. We are going to add a little bit at a time because the water liquid mixture has a way of wanting to activate with the citric acid and the baking soda, and we don't want it to activate and fizz too soon before you put it into your shower or your bath. So you want to add it just a little bit at a time and then stir a little bit and then stir. And I'll go ahead and keep doing this until it's fully incorporated. Okay, so it did turn a very pretty blue. You want it the consistency of wet sand, which we have. And we'll go ahead and put it in the molds. Now you could do these as shower steamers or actually a foot bath, which would be good because then the menthol would get in through the skin of your feet, and a lot of times like you put Vicks Vapor Rub on your feet to help your cold, this would be the same way. I'm going to put this one in a leaf mold. This is the one I'm going to use in a couple hours when it's done and take a shower just so I can start feeling better. The rest I'm going to go ahead and put in a silicone mold, which I let dry for 24 hours. So I will show you the results of that tomorrow. And you just want to put it in there and pack it down. And this one is ready to dry, and it takes about 2 hours for that. And here are my shower disc molds. And you just want to put that in there and pack it down clear up to the top. Nice and even with the top so they make nice flat discs. Okay, I'll go ahead and continue to do this. Here's how many of the discs that I was able to make with the rest of the mix. So it is 10 of them. Okay, so this has had a time to dry for 2 hours, and this is the result product of the menthol eucalyptus shower steamer. It turned out really good. It smells awesome. I'm going to go ahead and take a shower, and when I come back, I'll let you know whether it helped my sinuses, my congestion any. I just wanted to say that was amazing. I went ahead and I took my shower like I normally do, and it released a little bit of the scent. But then after my shower, I stepped aside, turned the water on full blast hot to get the steam, so it was kind of like a sauna. The aroma was really intense, and my sinuses instantly cleared. It was just amazing. I mean, I don't feel 100% because I still have a cold, but I feel better. So I really recommend this if you're down and out and have stuffed sinuses, congestion. It is amazing. I will be back tomorrow to show you the finished product of the discs in the silicone molds, and then we will try one out to see how well they foam. Okay, it's been 24 hours and they are ready. They look like they turned out really good. We're going to see how well that they fizz. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. They look like they're fizzing really, really good. If you like this video, please hit subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.